Now this next song is actually pretty easy. Born in the USA is just 2 chords, D and G. So we can do a lot with it. We can do some finger picking. We can do cool stuff with it. Born down in dead man's town. First it took was when I hit the ground. End up like a dog that would be too much till you spend half your life just covering up. Pretty easy song. It just stays with those 2 chords the whole time, D and G, G and D and G. But what you could do is you could do the same picking pattern, the picking pattern number 5 that we did with the previous song. Okay, you could do like. Born down in a dead man's town. First kick I took was when I hit the ground. End up like a dog that's been beat too much. Happy life just covering up. Yeah, so you could do that picking pattern, or you could do just like a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, strumming. That's what you could do with that song. Okay, let's carry on. 3 Little Birds we've already done with all the chords.